Honor has announced its first phone for games, Honor Play. It has a 6.3-inch screen with 19.59 1080p notches, a 3.750 mAh battery and a Kirin 970 processor along with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. Those are not super high-end specifications. In fact, they are very similar to the Honor View 10 mid-range that came to the USUU at the beginning of this year. But Honor says the biggest innovation with the game is GPU Turbo, a hardware and software integration that supposedly increases GPU performance by 60% while reducing power consumption by 30%. The artificial intelligence capabilities of the Kirin 970 are also harnessed to provide a 4D gaming experience, analyzing images and audio in real time and giving vibration feedback accordingly. Apparently, AI is also used to help simulate 3D surround sound. We have not had the opportunity to try any of this, but Honor says the features will work in games like PUBG, Asphalt 9 and more. The View 10 was a solid phone, and the Play should be very similar even without the game features. It maintains the headphone jack and the USB-C port, while the fingerprint sensor has been moved backwards to allow a larger screen-to-body ratio. The rear camera is still 16 megapixels aperture f/2.2, although the secondary monochrome 20 megapixel sensor has been replaced by a more pedestrian 2 megapixel component.